Good morning, Governor.
Good morning, Farmer.
We're going to try and answer some more questions about COVID-19. Yeah?
Yo, may maktuali. Yung darawa na conclusion nga kung nakuliyon mo aliyama. Laro market yan.
Yeah.
Kaya kadaro na kung maram na vaccine yang balay yan.
Yeah.
Doon malam na kushi makalit doon. Ito yan siya na kung makdukurupan walang siyang surab gara.
Yeah.
Tanguro doon question na doon self-action yung maram diyan wala. Buk makdumaram doon ka namir ni yuro nga yakajal nagkando ni yuro.
Yeah. Yeah, well, it's probably going to become a problem for them because Djambatjmarram, New South Wales, got Victoria, they got Dangang Redi Unabala, and they are looking at what they call opening up. Well, it's the Djambatjmarram Dukad Malana, and already the federal government got Bookmark States Premier Mala, Chief Minister Mala Territory Ngora, Walla Yuram Nakana Dukad, that when they get Golki Bookmark Walla Maram vaccine, Walla Djambatjmarram Dukad for Bookmark ko Makajindigo, and couple put up level.
Siyami ka mga bigyan. Wala tukar bumawal albili, biru gaman lo. State Premier, Treasury, Chief Minister, wal tukar bumabili bigyan gam. Bookmark Djambatjmarram. Bookmark Djambatjmarram duwali na vaccine. Kung tabahin mo yung Djambatjmarram, wal ka na kung nawe. Nganarap maram. Wal ka na kung Djambatjmarram, ito yakalakpan.
Well, they won't be stopping the opening up because Dangang businesses, Djambatjmarram, Victoria, New South Wales, Wallabukton, Djambatjmarram, Darwa, Wallabukton. And they're saying if we can't Djambatjmarram, Djambatjmarram, Makadini, and even couple put up level, even overseas, then Makadini will be Bukton. The federal government will be Bukton. Already Yindi Rakun Wallang Orga Djambatjmarram from COVID-19 go, Meritiri Batala Rakun. So they have to Djambatjmarram Bukujukmaramadi Dukad Ma Bundina as quickly as they can, as safely as they can. That's what they're talking about.
Bikan ikaw ang nawamat. Baile, kung wala yun siya kamara, wala ka still wala ka dyan. Laito government, biru government do, state premier, chief minister, kaya nga bala katubra, wala to Djambatjmarram. Linggo wangkan do gamro, wangkan gamro. Laito yaka businesses malam na bakun, kumuro, manji, Rome, Milidar wadi yang bala business manji bakun na. Yang wearing ni do betantin do, wala to yaka gakun.
Yes. Yes, they'll be opening up. Could be by Christmas. What they're saying is, Gamarang, they'll open up and they're going to check with the hospitals to make sure the hospitals aren't overloaded. Yakawala dangang did patients walamaram from COVID-19. So they're going to opening up Djambatjmarram Bulana and checking on the hospitals. Yaka dangang Meritiri Gondarra hospital, but they're going to Djambatjmarram. Well, at the Djambatjmarram, you are.
Islamic Abidjan mga tam. Baile, wanto na kung wanto naman nakagari ng hospital mo. Ay, pero Yolngu Matha. Hindi mo ay pero wanto naman wato.
Yep. Yo.
Naman nakagari mo ni kana kung may ngutan mga really may ginagawa ng hospital mo. Wanto yakagulma. Wanto go ahead and Djambatjmarram to Djambatjmarram.
Yes. And they're doing that now in New South Wales right now. They're checking every day how many are in hospital. Namanawala Dingama, Namanawala Maram Reedy, Balanda. They're checking up every day. Yeah.
Okay, you like to buy a maram. Like you one day, Maku, one can you always. I can't remember. I to tell you it. The Yaka Barayko, Panyaka. Just Tao. I to tell you it because my buying maram, Jackson, Duka, Yaka Malto. You know?
Yeah, fair going at it, Lagrama. Dhuḍi-dhäwu, it's Yolngu.
Yo.
If Limeritanama Nakanagaratangai rally marichin, something big, then it's Yolngu. And something big is coming because in New South Wales, Victoria, they can't stop it. And Yolngu human beings, are carrying it. Baidewala na Minchi na Baparu na, they're carrying this really. We don't know when it's going to come. Just like New South Wales didn't know. So it's one gain taxi driver. Now it's Dangang. Victoria, it was one gain truck driver. Now it's Dangang. And government is saying we're going to Lapmarama, Bulana, and try to safely, because darwa business wala baktan denga bala government wala tindi rakunga etama denga bala. We have to Lapmarama, what they're calling opening up, and only one guy nakana menmak tukad vaccinated Djambatjmarram. That's the only one guy.
The Dukan Jai Kanura, only billion. Only billion Dukara, only to bookmark to Maram dually jacket.
Yeah.
Bookmark to Maram, the dwelling I work the Duka Jai. Duka Bumangai government dually bookmark to Maram. Nang work you only in a Diatamaram, right to Maram Yan.
Yeah.
Bilang ada yang kami dengan kami macam bulu. Nak punya New South Wales, in Victoria.
And just look at America, 1,500 a day, Dingama. And most of those people, koki bukmak duli, wala rakunkum, buying a wala maram injection, buying a wala maram vaccine. Most of those people. Yeah.
Tapi jangan kawan una na yang Amerika muka.
Yeah.
1,000 probably a day. Adole Malayu malang uniwal katingap. Bele bang wal kamar jakin muka jual, jakin jual. Bang wal malam, wal nak kunting kambun.
Yeah.
Bele bang wal kau ni rumah kau ni rapul mana? Itu ngayong white chili gul malam. White mang water mang dia kan gul malam. Bele bang kau orang ni wika.
Yeah, walango rumbal jakamiri watar mango wala dunga deki ready go mukuru ready malana.
Yeah.
But gamarang, we need one injection, and to make our watar mango walamrangi tuli mukuru ready na. 3 weeks yalala, not straight away. You have to give it a rest. 3 weeks yalala, bulo number 2 shot, number 2 injection. It's just like that. We give that example before, like practicing football. You don't practice once. You got to practice 2 times to become bulogaraman, eh?
Yeah. So, Marman is the practicing Maram.
Yeah.
Orang ni Maram, I do kangara ni na yung bangun lokal, ini water mango, right to laro man, ini udah mango really. Orang mo.
Yeah.
Ni tu kau pantan, right to laro, you udah mango, ya really kagari, COVID-19. Yang begitu bulu, nama 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Local week, kabo ni Maram.
Between 3 and 6 weeks after the ngorongo, after the first shot. Yeah.
And ngorongo, on the berkan, ngorongo ni orang tu goropan, Sabi ng orang Djambatjmarram, Jackson ni vaksin boy, vaksin Jackson ni Djambatjmarram. Sabi ng buon na ko kabit man natin ko ka boro al tuguro pa na wala na man al pun dili nga kolor pa week makai 6 week.
Napongoid 6 week, yeah.
Yo. Wala Djambatjmarram, akal ko dito 3 week o 6 week. Baliyon nga maram.
Yeah. And that's to give lots of practice to the Watarmango. Give them, make them below. Djambatjna, Deki Rediko.
Madaway uni nawe Watarmango. Mango Gurupan. Nawe nango Dukar. Right to Malajan yun, Palarom, Berkayon.
Mm-hmm.
Berkayon nama yul boya kamal siliri.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Gamarang, this will probably be the last video we'll do on this one, unless Y Warriors can get some more support from somebody who to answer more questions. Eh? So this is September 2021, and it'll be probably our last one on it. Balanda, thank you for Nongojama.
Yeah, man. One more, don't you last na kan video. Và đôi lúc mình là con mình rụt tiêu là con đầu có gạch nổi mình bolo là con già mà quay có đaro là push là con già mà là nhớ cái như người bắt Balanda quay bắt vô rồi particularly cái này rồi một mar đâm bại là awal ka nga ma quay mình biết được rằng the doctors mà là nga quay mà là karaman wal ka na con alakam dawo media kor o pokere waka alakam yang bang yole ka bidan orka try kul ma mi wor ngon ga bang dan jere shit nama nyon ma na ka buko ka bulap libon ka dual ayu ak ka yote la ko ma ma.
Yes, they are git na walla because they're making dangang rupiah from YouTube or na. Yeah? And they're putting out false prophet dhuḍi, false prophet, and they're putting out buttery myth dhuḍi because that's the one that makes them lots of rupiah. Yeah, wallah, chut na.